You requested Thick and I made it. The dance was originally made by Janecia Janel, and we're going to do Charli D'amelio's version, and I just like the way Charli dances, but it's also a good way for beginners to step into a dance, because Janecia makes it has more of a, more flavor to it, which is a bit more of a challenge. So if you get used to it, check out Janecia's version and try to add a bit of that, little bit of extra sauce, as I would say it, all right? So subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and let's get started. All right, so I don't know the lyrics perfectly, but I will make sounds that kind of sound like it, all right? Like the beat. So we will start out with this move, a boom. You might know this as the whoa, but it's actually not actually how the whoa is done, and it appears that the whoa comes from a different move, which is called the dejo, but I will post a link in the description so you can check it out, but we will call this, like, for now, the TikTok whoa, all right? So you go up, what up, breathe. So you go up with your hand and act like you are grabbing something from your shoulder and pull it back, yeah? What up, breathe, and see how I'm going up and down. What up, breathe, boom, clap, yeah? What up, breathe, boom, clap. So what up, so your hand goes like what up, go to your shoulder, breathe, roll, clap, yeah? What up, breathe, boom, clap. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7. What up, breathe, boom, clap. 5, 6, 7. What up, breathe, boom, clap. 5, 6, 7. What up, breathe, boom, clap. So when we have what up, breathe, boom, clap, you're going to, with your arm, you're going to go around your belly, and your hips are going to go back and around, and your arm is going to go back. So around, but you're standing here, right? So you have that clap, and what I do, I put my foot, I make an extra step so I can make that turn, yeah? Here, because we're going to get into this hop, yes? So here, and then we're going to get this. I'm going to explain it, but we have what up, breathe, boom, clap, what up, E. So you're going to have your arm from the clap, really make it big, yeah? Clap, and see how I'm putting my foot down like I want to turn. So this is actually the move that you're getting there, yeah? Here, boom, and then you can get your arm in this position, yes? So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7. What up, B, boom, ka. What up, E, boom, pa. So this, I've seen it that people do it like this. Some like go all the way like this. Some keep the arms here, but it's about the hips. So let me explain it, because sometimes you see people jump on 2 legs. We're going to do it a little different, which is going to help you out. We're gonna go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So you're standing each time on one leg. So on your left leg, right leg, left leg, like you're doing like a horse type of movement, yeah? Jigida, jigida, didida, didida. All right, so this is going to help you because we're going to do a body roll. And if you don't know the body roll, I suggest you do a tutorial or take my tutorial. I have another video where I explain it, because that's basically what it is. Also, it's almost like the throw it back. So what happens is that you have your chest come out, hips, and then back. Chest, and while your chest goes back, your hips come to the front, and then your hips go back, yeah? So what happens is that you hop on your leg while you do that. But you can focus on pushing your hip back. Yeah, I'm gonna show it like this. So push your hip back. So where does this help? Is that when you step on one leg, see how you can hold it like this? It's hard to do it when you do it on 2 legs, yeah? So when you do this, you can control the movement. See? Because you're standing like this, it's harder because you're standing on two legs. I hope you understand that, yeah? So practice this. Hop on one leg and throw your bum back, yeah? Ha, and then you bring it to the front and stand on two legs. So you throw your bum back, boom, and pop. So you get ah. So 2 times, yeah? Like you have a tail. Let's imagine that. A tail to the back, yeah? Hop, yeah? Hop. And you make sure your upper body is more to the front, yeah? You could also do it here, but be a little bit more like this. Like you can almost touch your legs, yeah? Boom. All right? So we have what up, be, hum, ka, what up, he, boom, ka. So this brings you here, and then you can hop on your left leg. All right? So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. What up, beam, pa. What up, e, boom, pa. From here, you're gonna go into another TikTok whoa. I love that name, TikTok whoa. Yeah, it's the same as the beginning. Wa, ah. And then hands in front of your face. All right? So you have that whoa, pa. Hands in front of your face. Point to yourself, and you're gonna get a boom, 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 boom. Oh, wait, what's it again? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's it. Right, boom, boom. Yeah, right, left. Boom, boom, boom. All right, boom, boom, boom. And you're gonna do a mop. Now, normally the mop, you do more to the front. In this case, he just kind of stays here. Yeah, it's a little bit lazy, but you know, you could always decide if you want to go a little bit to the front, yeah? Original is to the front, yes? So boom, 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 mop, and then we're going to get this rotating movement, rotate, yeah? And I've seen the move being done like this, yeah? But she does it lazy, yeah? So boom, 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 mop, roll. So you don't have to do the leg, but I'm going to show you anyway. So it's more like lifting your hips, yeah? You have your heel in and out. So if you want to do it like this, like a rotating movement, you can do that, yes? But you don't have to. So you have boom, 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 and then you're going to get a mop, roll. All right? Boom, 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 mop, roll. So you mop left, right, roll to the left. And it's like and I'm up. Yeah, it's not like a full circle the way she does it, but you can if you want to. But it's left, up, just one circle. Left, up. All right? So when we have what up, boom, shoo, pop. What up, shoo, boom, ka, wow, boom. And point to yourself, boom, 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 mop, and ha. Yeah? So I know I explained it pretty quickly, so let's go over it again. So when we've had this, right? Boom, boom, whoa, pa. Then from here, you're going to cover your face, and the original just goes like this, but you know, it's not much of a difference. So hand, point, bum, boom, boom, mop, roll, ah. Yeah? So when we've had not the first whoa, but the second one, whoa, face, point, ba, boom, boom, ha, roll up. Yeah, so let's do it again. So we have had boom, boom, whoa, ka, bum, boom, boom, mop, roll up. One more time. So we had boom, boom, whoa, ka, and point, ba, boom, boom, ha, ha, whoa, ha. Yes? So let's do it again. From this part, boom, boom, whoa, ka, boom, ha, boom, ba, ba, mop, and roll up. Yes? Let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. What up, B, boom, ka. What up, E, boom, ka. Whoa, boom, ah, boom, pa, boom, boom, ah, what up, ah. Yeah, so if you see me do the leg and you're like, oh, I don't understand the leg, you don't have to do it. You can just roll up. So you have the mop, roll up. Yeah, roll up. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. What up, boom, shoo, pop. What up, E, boom, pa, boom, ah, wah, E, ah, boom, boom, ah, wah, ah. Yeah, something like Ashley. Oh, no, I'll explain it. So, so when we've had that mop, boom, pa, there's like a E, boom, boom. And I love actually doing this big, but you don't have to, yeah? So boom, boom, ti, ta. And the last one has a bit of a ti, ta, like you throwing something in the air. Tu, ta. Ti, ta, ti, ta. And we're going to get into the next part. So let's do it from the beginning. So we've had what up, boom, shoo, pa, ha, da, da, boom, boom, and whoa, ah, me, pa, boom, boom, ha, ha, shoo, ha. And then we're going to get into this move. Yeah? So up, and then we're gonna go Ashley, ta, ta, ta. So the arms go down. This is pretty easy, but the hips might be a bit of a challenge. So how do I do this? This is from the Ahi challenge. My hips swing from left to right. But imagine like this, you're standing on 2 feet, but you could also stand on one, yeah? On your right and on your left. This is what happens when you do this. So let's say we start out leaning to that side. Right now, I'm pretty much standing on both legs, yeah? Then I'm going to lean into my left, yeah? As you can see, I can raise my foot. That's how much you lean on this foot, yeah? Here, you turn your hips around, then you're going to lean on the other leg. Turn your hips around and lean on the other leg. But you don't have to lift your legs. It's just enough so your hips can move from side to side, yeah? Because if you don't lean, you're going to get this, which you can do if you want, but it gives more of a swing if you lean more, yeah? So if you're used to doing just this, you can do that, yeah? But if you want to do it, the proper way, you're going to get more of a swing when you go from left to right, yeah? And you can practice it by leaning with your hips on the right enough so that your feet can lift. And then you just turn your hips. And then you got it. Yes? I said it just very easy, but it takes practice, all right? So when we've had up, throw it down. And it has 4 counts, yeah? Boom, pa, Ashley, do, ta. And I walk to the, yes? So when we've had Ashley, pa, and you're going to step to the front, yeah, and your arms just gonna shake, step, yeah, and the left is in the front, step, yeah, step, and then your right, you're going to lean on it so that you can get into this walk, yeah, so you have here, walk, boom. See how I'm going from here? I can get into this, yeah? So this is a transition into walk, 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 and boom, ah. We're almost there, all right? So you have this, tro, she, pa, and here, all right? So pay attention to when I have this, ta, I actually do left, right, but you don't have to, yeah? So if you see that I'm doing this, that's because I'm going like left, right, yeah? So, but you can always just make one step to the front, all right? Boom, and that goes into this walk, 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 yeah? All right, so let's do it again. So you have up, she, pa, walk, and ta. You're going to go look, yeah? Look, boom, yeah? So you're going to grab your bum, hit that whoa, right? And then that's it, all right? So when we've had that walk, oh, let me explain the walk. So it's pretty much leaning on a left leg, on your right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. And it looks like you're walking if you just film it from here on your spot, yeah? And your hips go from left to right. So without the hips, it's just gonna look very stiff. So make sure you walk on your spot. You just lift your heel, yeah? Left, right, yeah? Boom, ba, bum. That's it, it's pretty basic. That's why I kind of skipped it, but everything needs explanation. So let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. What up, boom, shoo, pop. What up, boom, boom, ka. What up, boom, and boom, pa, boom, boom, ka. Ashley, boom, ka. Ashley, boom, ka. And I walk, walk. Look at that, ah, boom, ka. All right, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. What up, boom, shoo, pa. What up, boom, boom. What up, boom, and boom. Ka, boom. Ha. Ashy, boom, ka. Ashy, boom, ka. As I walk, and boom, pa, boom. Look at that, ah, boom, ba. Yeah, and this you can do it as big as you want. Look at that, ah, boom, pa. Yes? All right, so it's time to practice with the music. In the description, there is a link. You can click it, and it will bring you to the part where you can practice with the music. First, we start out slow so you can really understand the moves, and then you build it up and get a little faster. All right? So have fun. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for the next video, and hit that thumbs up because you will help me out big time. All right? See you later.